Hey guys, welcome back. We got some parts in the mail this week. Steering wheel, quick release, steering column, bus shifter, valve covers, and we're gonna do an oil change on the Bug. Oil change on my daily as well. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Bug out, get some oil changes started. So let's pull them out. Here's the car on jack stands. We're gonna go ahead and take care of this really quick so we can get started on the Bug. What the fuck? Emmett, can you take that one out? Go ahead. Thank you. All right, we're gonna put some oil in now. Hemis take 7 quarts. I'm out of shop towel, so I'm using a shower towel. There we go, fresh oil. This guy's all done. All right guys, so now we're draining the oil out of the Bug. It's already drained out, so we're gonna go ahead and take off the oil sump plate. So this engine's pretty new still. So I kind of see a little bit of metal shaving, so that's normal due to the fact that it's almost broken in. All right guys, so I got the sump plate cleaned up. We're gonna put some glue and put the gasket on, and it's gonna be ready to go on the engine. If you guys notice, I do not use a screen on my sump because I already have a filter. Now we got to take the filter off. Hopefully this doesn't fall and splash in my face like my charger. Ooh. Fuck, I got the wrong filter. Alright guys, so I did get the wrong oil filter. I was supposed to get the 515R, but I got the wrong one. I ordered the new one, so it should be here in a couple days. And install the valve covers. Alright guys, so I went ahead and took off the old valve cover. Now I have to unbolt the rockers so I can install these, because they're bolt-on valve covers. So they're gonna go right here in place of that, and then the valve cover is going to bolt on to this. So what I'm gonna do is do one at a time. That way I don't have to readjust my valves. And I'm still keeping the washer on the rocker shaft. Quick test fit. Ooh, that's shiny. So what I'm gonna do is glue the valve cover gasket to this. It's an old trick my racing buddies told me about, is that they always glue the gasket on the valve cover because it comes off like 40 times a year while they're racing. Give this a quick wipe. I'm really hoping my valves didn't come out of adjustment because I just did them, but we'll find out. So here's the valve cover with the glued gasket. It should be good for the whole year. Here's the hardware. It has an O-ring, that way it doesn't leak. That should be it. Get rid of this old thing. Wipe it down. All right, guys, so that's what it looks like. I'm gonna get the other side done, then I'll come show you guys when I'm done. All right, guys, so both new valve covers are on. Here's the driver's side. Didn't wipe it down, but they look good. The reason why I went with new valve covers because those are bigger. These old stock ones started leaking every time I changed the gasket too, so, and the rockers kept hitting the valve covers too. I don't have high lift ratio rockers, but I do have a cam, so that's probably one of the reasons why the rockers hit the valve covers. That's actually gonna be it, guys. I didn't put any oil in it yet because we got the wrong oil filter, but that should be here in a couple days, and when that gets here, I'll go ahead and put this oil in it. I usually use VR1 and Valvoline products for all my cars. And then next week we can go ahead and install the steering wheel, quick release steering column, and the bus shifter. That's gonna be it, guys. I'll catch you guys next weekend.